Gemini 32 Trace Hot Air Rotary Oven Introduction. Hot air rotary oven is a type of automatic rotating bakery equipment by hot air baking products. There are multiple specifications and models available. The exterior and interior are made of food-grade stainless steel material. The 32 Trace Hot Air Rotary Oven is a single-rack baking equipment. Double tray placement, 16-layer baking tray rack. Standard baking tray size 400mm and 600mm. It also could be customized depends on customer request. The maximum size of the baking tray suitable for customized rack is 460mm and 720mm. Using instrument control panel, classic simplicity, easy to operate. The instrument temperature control table is set by swinging the pointer to the desired temperature. Electronic display timing control meter with single group memory function. No need to repeatedly set the time. Press the confirm button to start the countdown. There are 3 types of energy models available: electric, gas and diesel. Product parameters: electric type, gas type, diesel type. Our company has a baking equipment design team of over 20 years. Professional research and development, production and sales of various specifications and models of hot air rotary oven. Welcome enterprises with demand for business negotiations and win-win cooperation.